Hi, family. Welcome or welcome back. I'm Lindsay. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you are all doing so wonderful. So, I have been tapping into the collective energy pretty strongly the past couple of weeks. And today I just felt really guided to do an energy update. I guess I just feel like it's such a time of transformation for a lot of us. And so I just thought it would be beneficial to do an update on the energy and the energy of the collective. And I hope that this helps and resonates. Please only take what resonates and what feels good for you and your soul. You'll know, always trust your intuition. You know the way. So the reason why I wanted to get into it is because the past couple of weeks, and particularly with the eclipse energy and everything, I just felt I was picking up on a lot of mental chaos, a lot of upheaval. And the thing to remember about eclipse energies is they really are a blessing, because what we are struggling to let go of, that we're not really doing on our own, or even things that we're holding on to that we are unaware of. That's kind of that push that we need. And so, eclipse energies, even though they can be chaotic and confusing, it can bring a lot of tower moments, upheaval, like I said, a lot of confusion, a lot of triggers, all of that. But it really is all for the benefit of your transformation. So I did a little bit of scrying here as well. And I also wanted to mention that with the spring equinox, especially today, I really woke up in such a light energy when I tapped into the collective. So if you are not feeling that just yet, just know that you will. It's right around the corner. This energy actually feels really yummy, really good. It feels light. I've been really easily amused today, kind of had the giggles, and so that's been really nice. So like I said, if you are not there yet, then just know that you will be. But I wanted to go ahead and mention some things that might help and help keep you grounded as well during this time. So one of the things that you really want to work on is mastering the start to your day, and this is just really going to help you prime and condition your own mind and energy for the day, rather than letting your environment do it for you. So you just really want to set your intentions for the day and practice an energy and a feeling of safety and of trust and of gratitude. So that really helps as well. And the other thing to remember too is that the Schumann resonance has gone up, and so it's going to be extremely beneficial to get outside as much as you can, get out in the sun as much as you can, go be around trees. Trees are so magical and healing. I really don't think it's even talked about enough, but that is going to really ground you and heal you. And it's important too, because with the Schumann resonance going up, a lot of us are getting triggered to release. That's what triggers are for. We get triggered so that we can release it and feel better. And also so that we can rise with Mother Earth. As her frequency is going up, the whole point is to rise with her, right? And to do that, we have to release. So so get outside, get in nature as much as you can. Just go for a simple walk. It really does not take much at all to re-center, get grounded, go be around some trees, go touch the ground, the earth. I mean, truly, like, put your bare feet on there. That is life changing for me, and I know I'm not the only one that feels that way. So that's one thing. The other thing to remember too is that it is only through upheaval that we transform, okay? So it really does kind of take that chaos, that upheaval, for you to really be shown your glory. That's what it is. It's for your transformation. It really is for your highest good. And it's why the discomfort is a blessing, even though it doesn't really feel that way. So it's just important to do those little things for yourself, like getting outside and setting your intentions for the day and practicing safety and gratitude. And another thing to remember is that you are, and this is such a beautiful, positive thing too, and something that is such a blessing in the discomfort as well, is that remember, you are remembering how to read energy better. You are learning how to read energy on a deeper level, which essentially guides you all through life and is just something that money can't buy. You're also learning better what doesn't feel right for you energetically. And again, that's just completely priceless. So, remember that as you release fear, you are taking your power back, and you're taking your power back from your environment. And you also have your power and your abilities revealed to you, which is really, really magical. For example, on the other end of this transformation, something that you might notice is the way that you'll really start to see through illusions. You'll start to be able to see through the limiting beliefs of others. You'll be able to see into their negative cycles and patterns. And so it really is interesting the way that this particular upheaval and transformation, if you pay attention, it really, really shows you your abilities and what gifts you came into this life with as well. So remember that if you're not in this energy, then you will be very, very soon. And you're going to feel the most at home in self that you have ever experienced. And that changes everything for the better. So I really hope that this message was helpful. I just love y'all so much. I wish I could give every single one of y'all a hug. Just a quick bit of extra, like a PSA, I guess. I just created this incredible money manifestation vortex. It is a step-by-step guide. I am going to be putting that on my Etsy shop in the next couple of days, so you can be on the lookout for that. And any of my other amazing resources are going to be in the description box or the about section, and anything else about self-development and manifestation you will find in my videos. And I am sending y'all so much love, and I will see you in the next one.